Tuesday. I know, this is silly. You know the whole wives' tale where kids look under, like between their legs when they're ready for the next sibling? Both Lucas and Henry have done that this week. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel for another work from home mom vlog. I am excited to take you along today because it is absolutely dumping snow outside. We are getting a really large winter storm in my area. I live in northern Nevada and we are right below the Sierras, so I don't know actually how large the storm is. It may just kind of be centered around the Sierra Nevada mountains. We have not gotten significant snow since, I want to say early January. We did have a white Christmas, which was beautiful and so fun. And then I think that we got one good snow day in, at least down here in January. We had a few days where it was rain, but it was snowing up in the mountains, but definitely the whole area in terms of just having water in the area and health for all of the ski resorts and everything in the Sierras. It is really welcome to have all of this snow right now. I am with the boys. Yesterday, thankfully it started today and not yesterday because yesterday was President's Day and I did not get it off. I worked back-to-back meetings. I think I had 7 or 8 meetings. I was in meetings for maybe 5 hours straight on Monday, and I definitely needed childcare for that. So thankfully my mom was able to come down and watch the kids the entire time. But today I would not want her on the roads today. With the right car, you definitely can be on the roads today, but I would prefer her not to be on the roads today. So thankfully I have no meetings. I had my daily call first thing in the morning with the boys, and now I am just knocking off some items on the to-do list. It's a really cozy day. They're watching a Thomas movie right now in the living room. And I think that my husband just came home for his lunch break as well. So I'm going to get back into it, but I will check in with you guys soon. Can we just take a second to appreciate how majestic my neighbor's wolf dog looks in the snow? He looks like that white wolf in Balto, I think, that like appears to him. You know what I mean?
Hi!
Hi! Here, let me show you how to make a snowball.
So if you take some snow. Oh, snowball. See?
What if we the snowman?
Let's try to hit it on the post. You missed it.
You try. I'm not trying.
You gonna try eating some snow?
now Tuesday. I know, it's silly. It's silly when Mama talks to the camera. Let me try to put you away from the window instead of looking at it. That's a little bit better. It's Tuesday and we are absolutely buried in snow. It is wild. I am fighting the urge to just grab my snowshoes and walk around. I really want to do that. I last minute impulse purchased right before the snowstorm started a pull sled because I really, for the boys, and I'm just sad that we didn't get one before this because I really just want to take the pull sled and bring the boys around in the snow on our property with the snowshoes because that would be so much fun right now. But I am enjoying it still, even from the comfort of inside with the little snuggles. Just got Lucas up for the day. Just saying, in the Sierra area, this snowstorm is massive. It literally shut down all of the routes up to Tahoe and through the mountains, like Highway 50, 89, 80, they're all closed right now. And avalanche warnings are incredibly high. I believe that there was actually a very terrible avalanche near Donner Pass. I need to look more into what the status is this morning around that. So I won't update because I am not a news source. I will not update around that, but you can look into like the avalanche that happened around Donner Pass. So yeah, it is large. The risks are very real in terms of how the roads are right now, in terms of avalanche warnings, because it is a very dry snow because of the suddenness of the snow, how much it's been, like how much it's just been dumping. And the cold weather causes a really dry snow. So that is a deadly combination, oh. Yes. But we in Carson City are just enjoying it this morning. We're staying cozy, working from home. This little guy, I was afraid he had a fever last night because he felt really hot when going to bed and he has a cough. But he's kind of had a cold for a while now, and he's had a runny nose for a while now, so I can't tell if it's like his same thing that he has just getting worse or if it's a new thing from like church daycare or something. I don't know. I have no idea. But can anyone relate to being in the season right now where you're like, you just always have something? Like, are you okay? Are we okay over here? We're just constantly fighting something off with our little baby immune systems. Yeah, but we're doing okay. Huh? Lucas overall is very chill when it comes to getting different bugs. Henry is my dramatic one. Henry very much so lets me know when he does not feel good. Lucas is a little bit more chill. I'm gonna get back into my work day, waking little babies up for the day. I'm gonna get some things done while he's finishing his bottle, but then I'm going to jump into making us all breakfast. Okay, I just finished making breakfast and had a quick outfit change. The sweater was matching the snow vibes outside, but I was way too hot in it. So I don't know if leading up to your cycle, if you can relate, but I definitely spike in heat when I'm leading up to mine. And so like, just gotta throw on what's comfortable today. I was overheating just a little bit and getting frustrated making the boys breakfast. But they have just finished eating breakfast. I'm hopping back into work at the dining table. Squishy is finishing his breakfast and Henry is outside. He was dying to play in the snow. So I put all of his snow gear on. He's playing outside. So we're gonna go ahead and proceed with the day. What are you doing? What are you doing? Got some bangs. He's got bangs. Hi, welcome to Friday now. I love that I'm posting this video directly after the one where I talk about staying motivated while working from home, and the first tip was to get ready every single day, and here I am in a sweatshirt this morning. But what's even more important than strict guidelines and rules is balance. And so Fridays I do try to stay a little bit more casual. But I have been on the struggle bus this week. It's mostly just hormonal cycle related. I started my new cycle yesterday. So I'm going to go take a lunch break right now actually. I've just hit my lunch break and make a little breakfast for myself and the boys since my lunch break's due till earlier in the day since I work on Central Time. So I'm gonna pop over and do that and bring you along with me. You know the whole wives' tale where kids look under, like between their legs when they're ready for the next sibling? Both Lucas and Henry have done that this week, which I would probably think I was pregnant if not for the fact that I'm not trying, and I am on my period right now, but it is hilarious. Like, he's doing it again. What are you doing? What are you looking for?
Mama.
You're looking for Mama?
Yeah.
Oh. What do you think?
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
Yeah. And all the power lines.
Let's sit on our bottom.
Do so. Come and eat me.
All right, so that takes us to the end of this vlog. It is the end of my workday by about an hour now. I have another hour to get ready for the gym. So I think that I am just going to tidy the house just a little bit before our weekend so that we can enter it. I think that the roads will be okay because things are melting a lot here. But I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. It means so much to me that you did. If you liked it, please remember to give it a little thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel for content that might be similar to it in the future. I cannot wait to catch you on the next one, friends. Bye for now.